What's going on YouTube? So if you're struggling to get views, subscribers, but more importantly, leads and sales, I'm going to show you exactly how to get more YouTube subscribers here in this video, step by step, and how you can use this method and literally set this up in 5 minutes. Guys, I've actually used this several times myself. I'll show you proof that I've used it, and I'll show you exactly what you have to do. So make sure to stick to the end of the video. I'm going to show you how you can use this method to grow your YouTube channel, but more importantly, grow your income and grow your online business. So anyways, guys, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, guys, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. But I have a ton of videos on growing an online business, growing your YouTube channel, and of course, affiliate marketing. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, guys, I understand that growing on YouTube is extremely difficult. Like, I started my channel, you can see here, I started in May 2009. Or I'm sorry, May 2019. So about, I want to say, what is that, 8 months ago? Today's February 24th. So about, I don't know, 8-9 months ago. So you can see here that it's really slow in the beginning, really slow. And then finally I was starting to pick up here, and now, you know, I'm at this point where I'm growing fairly quickly. I've hit 1 million impressions, you know, over 100,000 views. Obviously, I'm still a small channel, but you can see the growth. Now, if I knew about this method back when I started, I would have used it because I wanted to grow a lot faster. Now, I don't regret anything, but if you're struggling to grow, this is a great way to boost your channel and get your message out there, okay? Now, I will tell you that you have to have good content for this to work, and I'll show you exactly why. So, for example, if we go to YouTube and we type in like how to do affiliate marketing, just a random keyword, okay? You can see that there's an ad that this guy has here, okay? Now, what the goal is in this video is to have an ad up here, okay? Because this is obviously a you know, highly searched term. Let's just do affiliate marketing in general. That's probably a bigger term. Now, this term here, you can see this tool I have. It says 246,000 views, guys. That's a lot of views, okay? Now, 246,000 searches per month. You can see this guy is trying to rank for that keyword, okay? You can see he's gotten 5,000 views. He probably has a small channel. That's probably why he's using this method to grow. Now, I'm going to show you how to do this, like literally step by step, okay? It's going to be super easy. Don't worry about that. You can see here, he's not showing his subscriber count, but you can see he's getting over 5,000 views. He's getting some comments.
Exactly how we did it, our 3
so yeah, I'm going to show you how this works, okay, and how to get on there. Let me get out of this. Okay. So what we're going to be doing is we're using this program here, okay? So basically it's a program called Sprizzy, okay? And what it is it literally just takes your video and puts on an ad. I'm going to show you exactly how this works, and I'm going to show you proof that I've used this as well, okay? So real quick, this is like from their website, okay? This is sprizzy.com. But right here it says, tell us, basically you can tell them who you want to show the video to. There's keywords, there's certain channels. So, you know, basically step one is tell us where you want the video shown. Okay, so I'm going to show you how this works in a little bit. And then step two is they're literally placing YouTube ads so people can see the video. So there's going to be in-stream ads. People are searching keywords, and it's going to be in suggested area over here. So really, guys, literally you're pretty much just placing ads so people can see this, okay? And I'm going to show you kind of how much it costs, and you know how you can get a ton of views and a ton of subscribers, okay? And kind of the best practice to use this, and how, you know, how I've gotten a ton of subscribers as well. And then last thing here, guys, you're obviously going to get views, subscribers, and real engagement. So if you've ever been on Fiverr, you can pay for views, pay for subscribers. That will destroy your YouTube channel, okay? Like, that will literally just mess you up really bad. Don't ever do that. But this, guys, is legit. They're actually using Google Ads to place your video on YouTube. So it's 100% safe, and you don't have to worry about any fake views or anything like that. Now, I will tell you, obviously, you're not going to get subscribers unless you have good content, right? So you're going to get views, of course, but people won't subscribe unless you have good video, okay? So what I recommend doing is you know, having your best video that you're actually getting subscribers now from, and promoting that video, okay? And I'll show you how to do that here in a little bit. And if you're brand new, if you're a brand new YouTuber, I'll show you what to do as well, okay? So anyways, you can see here all these people here. You know, this guy had, you know, over 70,000 views, 400 subscribers. There's just so many testimonials here, guys. Like you can see all these people, 4,000 views, 51 likes, 52 likes, 22 subscribers. So yeah, I mean, depending on how many subscribers you want, you can literally like make it happen. Okay. And there's a few and this works for everybody. Okay. And it works for any niche, whatever you're trying to do. Okay. So don't worry about that. There's a few things I want to talk about. Where was it here? I think yes. Okay. So basically, how much does it cost? So it starts at $50. Okay. And basically you can run you're going to get about 2,000 views, like pretty much guaranteed 2,000 views. Okay. Now, of course, from this, it's your job to create good content. That way people will actually subscribe, right? So that's kind of what happens here. Okay. Now, let me show you an example of what I've done. Okay. So you can see here, I spent $100 with this video. I spent $30 with this video. I've spent $110 with this video. So guys, obviously you can tell I've used this method here. I spent $100 here. I spent $100 here and got almost 5,000 views. So you can see that I've actually used this method. Now I want to show you how easy it is. Okay, so you just, once you sign up, and guys, I have a link below to sign up for Sprizzy. It is an affiliate link, but I believe you get, $10 to $20 for your first sign up. Okay, so it is an affiliate link. I do get a commission from that, but it's at no additional cost to you guys. And of course, I would appreciate if you use my link because it helps me support the channel. So anyways, guys, you pick your channel here, whatever your channel is, and then basically you select what video you want to promote. Now, what I would do, this is if you have like a channel already. If you're completely new, this might not work for you, but I'll show you what I would do. Okay. But if you're a channel that has videos already, what I would do is I would go to your analytics, and then I would go to overview, and then I would go to see more. And basically what I'm trying to do here is figure out what is your best video, like what video are people actually subscribing from. So you can see here, if I rank this by subscribers, I want to know which video has gotten me the most views, and that's the one I want to promote. So this one right here is actually crushing it for me. TikTok marketing strategy. I've had over 200 subscribers just on that video. So you can pick a video that you think is gonna do very well, because obviously people are subscribing organically, so you might as well promote that, to get even more people watching the video, right? So you can kind of pick video based on what you think is going to do the best. Okay. So anyways, I'm just going to pick a random video for now. Let's just say this one here. I just made this video yesterday. So you click your video, or you can click the link, whatever you want to do there. And then basically it's super easy now, guys. Like all you got to do is, let's see, you go to goals. So you tell it what you want to do. So you can do subscribers, like, and comment. So I wouldn't do anything besides subscribers. If you do want to run ads to this, you can also do website views, where you're actually just sending them to a website, which is, if you have a funnel, if you're doing affiliate marketing, this is actually a great way to do that as well. But this video specifically, I'm just talking about Sprizzy, or about gaining YouTube subscribers. So I'm just going to stick with subscribers for now. And then you go to next step targeting. So right here, you choose your country. I usually like to choose these 4 countries just in my, that's just what I like to do. And then just say no here if you don't have a song or brand. And then it gives you keywords that it thinks that, your video is about. You can use these keywords here, or you can kind of just type in keywords that you want to rank for, right? So this video is, how to make money on YouTube, without creating videos. So, you can pick the type of keywords that you want to rank for. Now, what I would do here, guys, is I would go to YouTube, and let's just say how to make money on YouTube. You want to pick keywords that have a lot of search volume, right? So for example, how to make money on YouTube, you can see here there's 90,000 searches per month. So I would definitely use that. And the way I'm getting this is with a tool called Keywords Everywhere. This one right here. This one tells me how many searches per month, okay? So you can use that and kind of just put keywords in here. Let's just say I want to use this one. Let's see here. You want to put keywords in here that you think, or that have a ton of search results, okay? So, fill this out, and then from here, you could just go to next step budget. And then I believe it used to be $30. Let me see if you can do $30 as the minimum. yeah, so it looks like you can do $30 as the minimum, and you get between 700 and 1,300 views guaranteed. Okay. And yeah, and then they have special offers here, stuff like that. I would just do schedule, start immediately, and then delivery speed, I would just do normal, save and continue. And then from there, you just pay. Okay. And that's basically it, guys. I mean, you have your card on there or your PayPal. Really easy. You start sending traffic, and that's it, guys. It's really easy to start, set up this campaign. I literally did this in like 5 minutes, and I was explaining it, right? So super easy. Obviously, I've used this. I would never promote anything that I'm not using, guys. So, if you watch my other videos, I'm 100% transparent on what I do. This is just one of the methods I use to grow. Obviously, I've spent, a good amount here, probably around close to $500 now, but it's really grown my channel. And, if you have good content, this works amazing because more eyeballs are seeing your videos, right? So if you believe in what your channel is doing or what you're talking about, this method 100% works, okay? Now, I did want to talk about how you actually make money on YouTube a little bit. So obviously, as you grow your YouTube channel, you got to find a way to monetize, right? It's really important because a lot of people create like a really good channel, but they don't have no idea on how to actually monetize their YouTube channel. So for me, guys, I was making $10,000 per month, with my online business without even having 1,000 YouTube subscribers. And a lot of people ask me, well, how are you doing that? Well, I'm doing something called affiliate marketing where I promote other people's products and I get a commission. Now, more specifically, I do high ticket affiliate marketing. So I teach people how to sell higher ticket products. Okay. So if you guys want to learn more about that, I don't want to talk too much about that in this video, but if you want to learn more about that, guys, it's going to be the first link in the description. Or if you want to start your online business without even being YouTube monetized, that's what really helped me get to that point where I was making $10,000 a month, $20,000 a month, and now $30,000 to $40,000 a month. So you can see as my YouTube has grown, my income has also grown as well. It's been only 9 months and I've been able to do this. So guys, if you want to learn how to do that, that's going to be the first link in the description. And the second link is going to be a link for Sprizzy. If you want to sign up for Sprizzy with my affiliate link, and you'll get, I believe it's $10 or $20 off. I can't remember, but you will get a discount if you use my affiliate link. So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value to you guys. I hope that you're able to grow your YouTube channel. I have a ton of videos on how to grow on YouTube. Like I said, I've been able to do it fairly quickly. Even in 2020, which, most people said it was impossible to still grow on YouTube, but I did it anyway. So guys, let me know if you have any questions about this method. And yeah, so let's I want to see you grow. Let me know what your main struggle is. Comment below, like this video, subscribe to the channel, guys, and we'll talk to you guys soon.